What is going on, YouTube? Wanted to do a Monday box break of Pokemon for the new Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. I guess it's not new, but it's first time breaking it for me. I'm going to do half the booster box first and the other half on the next video. Bought this on eBay. We'll see what happens here. We'll put this side over here. Alright, guys. Let's see what happens here. Let's see here. We got green code. Let's see, I don't know if it's 3 or if it's the other one. Just gonna kind of go through them. You guys can see the names. Okay, Megamite, Honedge, Cubone. Love that imagery. Flabibi, I don't even know how to pronounce that name. Reverse Hollow. We have a Pongaro, Rare, then an Energy, so it must be 4. Sort these. It looks like green. Give the codes away if anybody wants them. Because I'm not going to open any more of this to make any type of lot. Energy, Crash Wake, Yuki, Unit Energy. There's this guy, Gibble, Clauncher, Noibat, Pancham, Beast Ring Reverse Hollow. It's kind of cool. And an Alona Executor. Love that. That's kind of cool. Old school set. You got a guy from the old school. White code. Right back. Code for everybody. There we go. 4. Alright. Energy. Hoopa. Landry Labs. Miss Spirit. Screpple. Bunnelby. Froakie. Let's see if we move the light a little bit. Megamite. This little guy looks like he's not very good. Heatham, Reverse Hollow. And then this guy. Is this guy any good? Not really sure. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm not very good with the new school Pokemon. Really more first gen and a little bit of second gen because of what I've played in the past in terms of Game Boy games and actually card games. Set that there. Green code. Code for anybody that wants it. Energy. This guy here. Braxton, my doorbell might ring here shortly. Come on, get in focus. Come on. This guy, Dewpider, Flabby, Esper, Fennekin, Widow, Reverse Hollow, Ultra Space, and a Vivillon. Put that there, put the Reverse Hollow there. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to pick up very well. Bear with me, guys. Just doing this for fun. Collecting Pokemon here and there. So what do we got here? White code. Code for everybody. Did that do the trick? I don't think so. There we go. Energy. Come on, stack. Focus. Let's see if I need to move it over here more. Jeez, this camera is not very good. I'm going to have to get a new camera here over the next month. It's not going to pick up on what I'm looking at. There we go. Lady, Rockruff, Scrap, Lido. These pictures are kind of interesting. Looks kind of very computer generated on that one. Froakie. We've got a Malamar Reverse Hollow Rare and a Unit Energy Secret Rare. Special Rare, I guess. Anybody know if this is a good hit? Guess it's probably not too bad. But being that it's a secret rare, it's pretty cool, actually. Set that there. Reverse Hollow goes there. And then we've got green code for everybody. Energy, this guy. Importer, double blade, blade, Flaby, this guy again, Cubone, Scatterbug, Snover, Noibat Reverse Hollow, and a rare Torterra. White code. There's the code for you guys. Energy, Gogot, Folletti, Megaton. Come on, camera. Jeez. Megaton, Pancham, Bergmite. This guy looks kind of like he's kind of cold, but kind of happy, kind of not. Scatterbug, Gami, common, and this guy. Does anybody know anything? This is one of those like star cards, I guess. I'm not really. 96. It's a Prism Star. Rare. Does anybody know about this guy? Trinity Star. And then we got a Hollow Empoleon. And then this pack is a green code. Here's the code for everybody. Energy. Come on. Jeez. Gabite, Tyrant, Sigo, Megamite, Cubone, Bunnelby, Snover, Scatterbug, Reverse Hollow of this dude, and then just an Ultra Beast. Rare. Excuse me, guys. On to the next pack. Got a green. Code for everybody. Energy, Arquanid, United Fossil, Diden. I think the biggest problem with this room is there's no let's see if I can turn on get some natural light in here. There's no lights up in the ceiling, so I have to use all lamps. See if this helps at all. Skiddo, Noibat, NK, Fennekin, Rockruff, got a Gabite Reverse Hollow Uncommon, and a Klotzer Rare. The rare's there. Reverse Hollow's up here. Green code or green code for y'all. Energy, Megaton, Gogoat, Bonnie, Rockruff again, Gibble, Flabibi, Skiddo, Froakie, Guzzlord Reverse Hollow, and a rare Meowstic. White code. There's the code for y'all. Energy, Spala, Zygarde, Mysterious Treasure, Dewpider, Fennekin, Heelopeti, this little creature again, Banacle, Skiddo, Reverse Hollow Common, and a Aurelius Rare. Kind of a cool looking hollow. Pretty cool looking card there. Pretty sweet. Greenback. Here's the code for y'all. Go through this pack a little quicker just because there's no Metal Frying Pan, Hoopa, Judge, Furfon, Gaumi, Dewpider, Fenkin, Pancham, Reverse Hollow, Denatha, and a Sivion Rare. Greenback, there's the code. Energy, Diggersby, Ultra Recon Squad. Let's go through these fairly fast. Like I said, there's not a big card in this one. Gaumi Reverse Hollow, and a rare Toxic Croak. Greenback. Code for y'all. Ultra Space. Skiddo. Gaumi. NK, Pancham, Bonnie Reverse Hollow, and Abominable Snow. You got 4 packs left on this side. Let's see what we can get here. Another green code. Getting tons of green codes here. Energy, Unit Energy, Arium, Fossil Executive, Rockruff, Gaumi, Clauncher, Honage, Huddlepie. We got a Reverse Hollow Klotzer and a Rotom Rare. 3 packs left on this side. This has got to be a white one. Yep, finally. White code. Alright, Energy, Klefki, this guy, Follett, Honage, Execute, Noibat, Megamite, Skrelp, Unidentified Fossil, Reverse Hollow, and this guy. It looks like this is the full art version of it. Not really familiar with this little dude either. But 120 out of 131. There he is. Alright. 2 packs left. Guys, the new Celestial Storm coming up, green code. I'm going to have 2 full cases of that coming into break here on my channel. Might break one, put one away, see how it does, see if it goes up, anything like that. Kind of hold it. Looks like from the videos I've been watching, it looks like it's been pretty solid. So, kind of excites me. Honage, Furfo, Reverse Hollow, Drago, and Zygarde Rare. Last pack of this side, and then I'll start a new video. Got a white code. There's the code. Oh, let's see if anybody. Come on. There we go. Alright, Energy, Aroma, Lady, that's a pretty cool name. Froakie, Krogunk, Execute, Scatterbug, Gibble, NK Reverse Hollow, and a Megazone Hollow Rare. It's kind of an interesting looking card. And there you are. That is the first half, kind of recap the hits if you don't want to watch everything. I'll just go over pretty much just the top 4 cards. Got this guy here. Don't know much about him. Got the Prism Star. I think it's a really unique idea card. And like I said, I've only opened a few different boosters and haven't got a Prison Star yet. You got this Unit Energy Rare. When this card is such a Pokemon provides an energy, it provides only one energy at a time. Don't know if that, I mean, it's a secret rare. It looks pretty sweet, actually. Very cool artwork. And then this guy. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and the other half will be posted here shortly. Thanks.